Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easy fix a paper jamming inside of the Samsung SCX-4300 model, and the paper jamming is right after the paper comes out from the paper tray. I will show you with a report where it stucks and how to get rid of this. Here is our jammed paper, and now how to resolve this. Switch off the machine, remove the power cord, we have to remove this rear cover by unscrewing 4 screws on the back. It's a very easy solution. Now remove the rear cover. Be careful. Here is one connector we have to unplug. Now we have to remove this side panel. First unscrew the screw here. Now take out this side cover. Here we have 6 screws to be unscrewed. Don't worry, you cannot lose any of these gears. It's a whole module. And now the problem is with this solenoid. It sticks and it causes the paper jamming. Unscrew it. Take it out. Look, it sticks. What we have to do? Take out this metal cover. Be careful with the spring. Now scratch out this old material. Clean it very well. And what I do, I use ordinary insulation tape. I will cut off a piece of this tape to fit here on the solenoid. Stick it well. Put back this metal cover. Don't forget the spring. Careful. As you see, there is no more sticking here. Put the solenoid back. Okay. So in a reverse order we will assemble everything and we will have a working printer without any paper jamming. And now in a reverse order, put back the side cover, put the back cover, and that's it. You will have a new working printer. Thank you very much. Good luck.